First thing first, let's create a shape layer. From the list of tools right below your standard menu, click on the tool right here, select the star tool, click and drag here, hold down the shift and control key to keep it straight. Hit V on your keyboard to drop your tool, then expand the drop down on the shape layer. We need to make some little adjustment to allow our shape look like a star properly. So expand the poly star part, then scroll down a bit and you see the inner radius and the outer radius here. So increase the outer radius to about 78 right there is okay. So the next thing you need to do now, we need to center the anchor point. So select the pen tool right here from the same menu, then hold down Ctrl key and double click on the anchor tool. That will move the anchor to the center. So hit V on your keyboard to drop the pen tool, select the fill right here and give your shape layer a fill color. So I'm gonna go with a simple white right here, something gray or white is okay. Then we also need to select the stroke color and then select none for the color. So we have a shape layer with only a fill color without a stroke color. So move it a bit to around this point, then go to transform polyster and scale this down to about 50. So there you have your shape layer. We will be adding a repeater in the next chapter.